Once we're done for our virtual and real case, we need to tabulate this table where the small n is for virtual internal force, capital N for internal force for real case, and L is length of the member. And then you have to calculate value for small n times capital N times by L, and find the value for n squared times by L, and find value for F. And F is capital N plus alpha times small n. Now let's have a look for member AB. So we go for a real case. Find out where is your AB member. This is member AB. The value for internal force is 6 kilonewton. It is tension, and for the tension is positive. Therefore, capital N is 6. Then let's have a look for virtual case. Small n for AB. This is member AB. The value is 0. Therefore, in here, small n is 0. And length for AB is 3 meter. And you can find what is value small n times capital N times L. So we have 0 here. Also 0 for n squared times L. Now let's have a look for member AE. The force is 8.49 and it is tension, and tension is positive. So 8.49. The length for AE, 3 power of 2 plus 3 power of 2 square root, and we get length for that is 4.24. And let's have a look for virtual case for small n for AE. Length for this is 3 power of 2 plus 3 power of 2 square root. We get 4.24 meter. And the internal force for AE for virtual case is 0. So here is 0. So we can find what is value for N and L, N squared times by L. So we have 0, 0 for both. Next, member BE. Let's have a look for real case for BE. This is BE. Length is 3 meter. Force is 0. Force for real is 0. L is 3 meter. Now let's have a look for virtual case for BE. This is BE. The value for that is 0.71. Check again the arrow direction. Here, that's for compression. When it is compression, the value for that is negative. So negative 0.71. Next, find value for small n times NL. So this 0. So this one is 1.51. So for a real case, we take out member BD. So we take out member BD. Therefore, there's no internal force for that. So 0. So checks for virtual case for BD. Value for that is 1. Direction for that is tension. For tension is positive. So positive 1. The length for that is 4.24. Calculate next value. This one is 0. This one is 4.24. So repeat the same procedure for each member. Once you fill up those value, we need to find summation of small n times capital N times by L. We calculate this value, we get negative 74.34, and for small n power of 2 times by L, we get 14.52. Before we can find value for F, we need to find the redundant force. Calculate. Redundant force, which is R or alpha, equal to negative summation N capital N L divided by AE divide summation N power of 2 times by L divided by AE. Since our AE is constant, simply we can cancel it out. Then we have our alpha negative summation N and L divide summation N square L. So now let's find value for our alpha for this case. So this one is negative 74.34 divide 14.52. So we get 5.12. So we get our alpha. Then we can use this formula to find force in each member. So what we get for the first one, we calculate value for F, we have 6. So 6 means that's one positive and it is tension. So calculate the next one for AE, we get 8.49, also tension. Calculate for BE, we get negative 3.63. So this one is compression. Always remember, for any point, for example, this is point A, this point E, arrow out from the point, this one is tension. Tension is positive. The other way around, your point, for example, EC, arrow towards the point, this one is compression. For compression is negative. So find next value, get this one is 2.36, 5.12, negative 3.37, this one is 8.36, this one negative 3.63. So we done for our problem and we get those value for each member. Always remember this thing, for tension positive, compression negative, and remember the direction of your arrow to identify either is tension or compression. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.